from a GoCube, and I'm gonna open this.
Knife.
And now we have a GoCube, and this GoCube is not like a Rubik's Cube because this GoCube can turn like light. And I'm gonna take this out, and this, and I will open this, and I am unboxing right now, like this. And I gotta go through. So this, it says goodies inside. And this is a GoCube battery. So you can charge this like this. And you use put this inside. But this is how you use the GoCube with the battery. This is the instructions, and this is like more instructions of how using the GoCube. And this is a GoCube instruction, so you can see how to use it. But this is more pieces of one instructions, and this instructions has some designs on the back. And this is the instructions, this too, but this one is not like colorful, it's just like black and white. This one's very designed, so we will be learning about GoCubes today. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe and like this video, and share and comment this video. Bye.